Welcome to the weekly roundup with Chloe's Auto Repair and Tire. Today we're at the Woodstock location. David, what are you working on today?
Well, today I'm checking the brakes on a 2017 Subaru Outback, and I'm able to access the pad through here to see what millimeter it is. And as you can see right here, this one's at below 3 millimeters, and I would definitely recommend replacing these pads immediately.
John, what are you working on today?
Well, sorry, no Jag this week, but we do have a 2013 Audi A5. Came in for running rough, check engine light, had some fluid leaks. We performed a smoke test on the crankcase and determined the rear main seal is the cause. On these 2-liter engines, the rear main seal, when it goes bad, the PCV will pull air through the rear main seal and cause misfires and lean codes. So we are doing a rear main seal, a cam cover reseal, and a couple of coolant leaks.
Thanks, John. Connor, what are you working on today?
I'm doing a full inspection on this Nissan Altima, and I did a brake inspection on it before as well.
Chris, what are you working on today?
Today we had a Jeep come in with oil leaks. We ended up doing an engine oil cooler on it. We also noticed it had leaks from the rear end, so we done rear axle seals and bearings. And I just got through test driving it. So I'm bringing it back in to double check, make sure I got all the leaks took care of. And then I'm gonna do an alignment check on it to make sure everything's driving straight.
Thank you, Chris.
Yes, ma'am.
John, what else you got for us today?
Well, also today we have this Lexus ES 300 hybrid. Customer was having some issues with the transmission. In this vehicle, the transmission is electric and has an inverter up on the top that controls the transmission. So we were able to procure a very low mileage transmission due to the fact that these transmissions are very hard to get from the dealer. We found a very low mileage transmission, was able to save the customer a lot of money, and we should have this one out today.
Stephen, what you got on our fleet vehicle today?
This one we did a lot of suspension work. It got struts, control arms. We did an axle on the other side as well as the axle seal on this side, and then we're going to get it aligned and drive it straight for the customer.
Thank you. Thank you for visiting the Town Lake location with us today, located at the corner of Bells Ferry and Eagle Drive. So come on down and see us.